No, everybody has their own function, okay? From the lowest rank up to the mayor. Tanan-tanan kita involved in that. And this is our own function. It is not only the function of one, but it is the function of all. Amo na nga gusto ko, kung may identify kita problema, uburuligan ito lang. Okay? As in the case of market, in a way, kawan ng market committee chairman, okay? Abi, ibutingan nyo blood, drawingin nyo ko blood, and then propose to me. Okay? Now, drawingan nyo lang, everybody, it should be organized in writing. Okay? This is how we're going to do the cleanliness, this is what we're going to do with the sa slaughterhouse, yun ang unang concern since we don't have the slaughterhouse pa. Drawingan ta, pastalan ta, everybody should be involved. No finger pointing. All of us have already identified the problem. Now again, I remind everyone, this is now the time to work. Legislation is not only the sole function of it's not only solely the function of the Assemblyman. Okay? Now, if you are chairman, and that does not only apply to Laura Body Atlas, of course. Kung halimbawa kay Joe sa tourism, he's hands-on. Si Jeffrey, nag-interest sa Masempra. Okay? Now, I am encouraging everybody. Now, I think, I cannot think this or I cannot do this once or all by myself only. Now, I need help here. Kinatang mga daan. I need help. Okay? Now, I cannot just do all of these things all together at the same time. Somebody has to help me. Okay? Now, I am encouraging, now, tanan-tanan members of SB ko, committee chairmanship or whatever, please now help us in the implementation. Why problema? Kung gusto nyo mag-have a hands-on with that, then it will be always okay for me. Maski not literally hands-on. May be some proposal, some ideas, submit it to me, I will read it, and then if it is just substantial, kung may wisdom, and then, then there's no problem. Now, ginaptaan ka ko nga daan-tanan. I need help. I cannot just do this all by myself. Okay? Now, this is the time for finger pointing. This is the time now for cooperating. Unity, titatanan mo, bla. Puruli ka itadala. Okay? So, amuran, that's the bottom line. Now, bottom line. Tanayan kita mo, bla. Para nga, at least, malamag ka na mo, bla.